Hi children, this is 6th standard maths class. In the last class you had learned about rounding off a numbers to nearest tens. Okay, so today we are going to learn about rounding off a number to nearest hundreds and rounding off a number to nearest thousands. Okay, now let's start. Look at here. Rounding off a number to nearest hundreds. Here you can see the first number 814. You want to round off this number to nearest hundreds. First look at here, in between 814, this number lies between which numbers? 800 and lies between 900. Okay, 814 lies between 800 and 900. Now you want to round off this number to nearest hundreds. Adinte nearest hundreds like round off cheyana. So look at the digit at the hundreds place. It is 8. Which is the digit next to this number? It is 1. But idana compare endadu. Okay, and this one is less than 5. So according to a rule we know that less than 5 annal evidekku round off cheyanamnanu? Round down to nearest hundreds. Okay, so this is the correct to the nearest hundreds. 800. 814 ന്റെ nearest hundreds nu പറഞ്ഞാൽ അത് 800 ആണ്. Okay, now look at the second one. 1254 is the question. Okay, you want to round off this number to nearest hundreds, and you know that this number lies between 1200 and 1300. Okay, this number lies between 1200 and 1300. Now which is the correct one? ഏതിലേക്കും round off ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ടാവുക? Just look the digit at the hundreds place and look at the digit right to this number. It is 5. അപ്പം ഒരു റൂൾ ഉണ്ട്, 5 5നേക്കാൾ കൂടുതലോ വന്നാൽ ആ ഡിജിറ്റ് എവിടേക്ക് റൗണ്ട് ഓഫ് ചെയ്യണമെന്നാണ്? Round up to the nearest one. Okay, that is 1300 is correct to the nearest hundreds. Okay, round up to the nearest hundreds. Now look at the third one. 43,126. You want to round off this number to correct to the nearest hundreds. So first you know that this number lies between 43,100 and 43,200. This number lies between these two numbers. Okay, now look the digit at the hundreds place. It is 1. Which is the digit right to this number? It is 2, and this 2 is less than 5. Which means that you want to round down to the nearest hundreds. Okay, so this is the answer, correct to the nearest hundreds. Now same manner you want to round off this number to the nearest hundreds. So this number lies between 98,100 and this between 98,200. Okay, this number lies between 98,100 and 98,200. Now can you say എവിടേക്കാണ് റൗണ്ട് ഓഫ് ചെയ്യേണ്ടതെന്ന് പറയാൻ പറ്റുമോ? Just look the digit at the hundreds place. It is 1 and the digit right to this number is 6 and this 6 is greater than 5, which means that you want to round up to the nearest hundreds. Greater than 5 ആണ്, so round up to the nearest hundreds. That is, this is correct to the nearest hundreds. Clear? So this is the way of finding or rounding off a number to nearest hundreds. Now we are going to find out or rounding off a number to nearest thousands. Okay, look at the first number. 4,826 is the number. You want to round off this number to nearest thousands. So first write in which number this number lies between. Here 4,826 lies between 4,000 and 5,000. Okay, now just look the digit at the thousands place. It is 4 and the digit right to this number is 8. എപ്പോഴും തൊട്ടടുത്ത നമ്പറിനെ കമ്പയർ ചെയ്യുക. Here this 8 is greater than 5. So according to a rule you want to round up to nearest thousands. Okay, round up to nearest 1000. That is 5,000 is correct to the nearest thousands. Okay, now look at the second one. 16,719. You want to round off this number to nearest thousands. So let's write the number in between with the number 16,000 and this 17,000. That is, this number lies between 16,000 and 17,000. Now look at the digit at the thousands place. It is 6 and the digit right to this number is 7 and the 7 is greater than 5. So according to rule you want to round up to the nearest thousand. That is 17,000 is correct to the nearest thousands. Okay. Now third one, 28,394. So where this number lies between? This number lies between 28,000 and 29,000. Okay. Now look the digit at the thousands place. It is 8 and the digit next to this number is 3 and this 3 is less than 5. So where you want to round off this number? Down, right? Round down to the nearest thousands. Okay. So 28,000 is correct to the nearest thousands. Round down. Clear? So this is the way of rounding off a number to thousands and rounding off a number to hundreds. Okay. Now I will give you an activity for you. Take your textbook, page number 90. Okay. You can do these two problems in your textbook itself. Adil correct edannu round off edha madi. Wrong ullathu correct edha. Okay. So children, that's all about today's class. Thank you.